Sirikal ma pacho ka omiyo pek wach mar gedo kaka yorno ma chopo kare lek mare mar bottoms up economic transformation agenda e bero weche mag dongruok e pacho ka. Jagoro mongirore e migawo mar arita Dr. Raymond Omolo obago romo gi komiti mar piny owacho mochung' ne kete tim weche mag dongruoge. Omolo e kinde limbe mare gwenge mag dho nam chumbi ochuo wang'e e kaka chenro mag gero dho wath ma Shimoni e Kwale, kambi mar Kenya Shipyard, kar loko timbe gi kido kaachiel kod government chemist e kaunti ma Mombasa.
So part of our visit is to see firsthand what is actually going on and be able to also suggest solutions on how to unlock those challenges. Whether it's with regards to coordination between various agencies in government, or whether it's with regards to resources, we are then able to prioritize what we think is critical for purposes of closure. Now, the President is expected to visit the coast region next week. No relationship because we are ongoing with our usual work as a subcommittee, but yes, it helps in providing briefs on the outstanding or the glaring issues that he would also need to speak to, over and above everything else, because it will be an extensive tour of the coast, not just Mombasa. Yes.